Hi, I am Joseph and welcome to my channel. This channel was created to help people worldwide to become financially independent. I am a software engineer for more than 20 years and I am using my programming skills for all of these years to make money online. And I want to share all of my knowledge with you all. In this channel, I will show you unique methods on how to use the technology and specifically the programming to make passive income. I will also show you how the finance technology or the fintech, how you can use it to make money. Also how to create amazing strategies to trade forex and cryptocurrencies. How to do arbitrage in order to make massive profit. There are hundreds of proven methods that can make you financially independent. All of the methods and techniques are 100% tested, so everything you watch on my channel is real and tested, and I am already making money from these methods. I invite you to join my channel because amazing videos are uploaded every day. I invite you to join me in this journey and let's begin making some money together.